Hello, and my name is Professor Schreiber, and I will be your instructor for the Mixed Mode Microbiology course. Mixed mode means in lab, we will meet in person on the East Campus on every Wednesday of the term, and every Wednesday in Building 1, Room 111, from 10 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. The other portion of the mixed mode means everything will be completed online, and Canvas is going to be used as your learning management system. So to get access to Canvas, you just have to type in online.valenciacollege.edu. Once you have typed that in, use your Atlas username and password, and then you'll have access to your course in Canvas. So this is what you're going to see on the home page for your course. Okay. Announcements will be posted on a weekly basis. I will also send an email right here through the Canvas inbox, and that will also be sent on a weekly basis because everything is done each week in the term. So this is an 8-week semester, so we will always complete everything per week. When you're ready to get into your course, click on modules. Everything you need for your mixed mode portion of the course is right here in modules. So here's just a nice little kind of welcome message to the course overview. When you're ready, read the syllabus. Once you have read the syllabus, you're going to kind of scroll down through the modules, and you're going to see there's going to be a syllabus quiz that you're going to take based on the policies stated in the syllabus. Okay, but now let's look at your course schedule. Now the course schedule can also be located in the syllabus, but if you want to look at the course schedule, very quickly, just click on the course schedule link. So again, this is done per week. So you can see week 1, week 2, week 3. There's going to be a lot of work that needs to be completed in week 3. And then we have week 4, a lot of work that's going to be completed in week 5, also week 6, and then also a lot of work that's going to be completed in week 8. So you just kind of get prepared for those weeks. All right, so next, here's a little bit about myself. You guys can read that at your own time. You need the lab manual and the textbook. So it's very important. You have to have the lab manual before our first lab, which is on Wednesday, June 9th. And the reason why is we're going to complete 2 lab exercises in that first lab. Lab exercise 1, lab exercise 2. And the following day, you will complete some quizzes that will go along with lab exercise 1 and 2, and you will submit your answers to some pre- and post-lab questions associated with lab 1 and 2. So you have to have that lab manual before you enter into that microbiology lab. And then you also need the textbook as well, especially also in week 1, because you're going to complete chapters 1 and 3. Here's a PowerPoint if you're kind of confused on how to register for Connect, which goes along with your textbook. Your textbook is published by McGraw-Hill. Some course policies are listed here: academic honesty and grade composition. So just make sure when you're completing all your quizzes and exams, it's done by yourself. You're not working with another student. You're not opening up your textbook. You're not using any notes. You're completing everything by yourself. Okay, because you need to know this information so it gets you prepared for the next course that you're going to take in the sequence for whatever future career you're planning to pursue. When you are writing your answers to all of your pre- and post-lab questions and your assignments, you have to write all those answers in your own words. UniCheck is going to be used, which is an anti-plagiarism software. And you need to have your matching less than 25%. Because if your matching is greater than 25%, that means that you have plagiarized and you will earn a 0 for that particular assignment. Your grade composition, you can look here and review it, how many points are needed for an A, B, C, D, F. Here's some course communications with myself. Just read through that. Technology requirements and some skills. A little bit more about Canvas. If you have any issues with Canvas, like downloading Respondus Lockdown Browser on your computer, contact the Canvas Help Desk ASAP. Now, if you have any issues with Connect, make sure you contact the McGraw-Hill Connect Help Desk ASAP. Here's some student support services, some distance tutoring that's offered at Valencia College. Here's a little learning styles quiz that you can take and complete. And then once you know your learning style, here's some strategies based on your learning style. Okay, so if you go back into modules, like I said, what you make sure that you complete is a syllabus quiz after you have read the syllabus, post in the icebreaker discussion board. Pre and post test is listed here in the modules. For your microbiology lab, all your quizzes and pre and post lab questions are submitted there. And then all of your exams will be based on chapters. So I wish you guys the best of luck in the course and see you guys for that very first lab.